The Devices button allows you to see and make edits to all the devices on your account. By clicking the Devices button within the Device Management tab of the control panel, you will see the Devices window. Using the scrolling bar on the right-hand side of the window, you will see all the devices on your account. If you choose to edit a device, select it from within the list. This opens the Edit Device window. From here you can make changes to the device's name, its flag color or the color text on the flag. If you change the flag or text color, you will need to select the small X in the lower right corner to make the color palette disappear. You can also change the device's icon by clicking on the current icon and choosing from the selection of the icons within the option types, then selecting which icon you wish to use from the Select Icon window. You can also use tags, which will allow you to assign drivers to vehicles. This can be customized based on the user's needs. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click the Save button in the lower right-hand corner of the Edit Device window. A green pop-up window will appear, confirming that you have successfully modified your vehicle. To close the Devices window, select the red X in the upper right-hand corner. Tech support is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central.